Another thing you may want to do is add shapes to your whiteboard. So you do that by clicking on this plus button here and you go to shapes. Now you've only got these options currently, but I'm sure Microsoft will continue to add to these. So for example, you've got a parallelogram here, you can click it, you can expand it, I can move it around, copy it. I can click this button and you can just be change the outline, and I can also click this one and change the middle, so it might not have a middle. So I've got all these options with these shapes. I've got my arrows here, but if you've seen the last video, you know there's probably a better way of drawing arrows anyway. And I've got a dotted line I might want to use as well. So all very easy to add. Now, there is also something here, if you're going to draw shapes, that might be better. So if I click the cog at the top, I need to make sure it says enhance inked shapes on. And what that means is, if you've got this turned off, whenever you draw a shape, it will just stay exactly as you've drawn it. Whereas if you've got this on, what that means is if it recognizes you're trying to draw any of these shapes it's capable of doing, it will turn your drawn shape into one of these. So if, for example, let me get my pen and I try and draw some of these. So let's say I'm trying to draw a diamond here. That's obviously a bit scruffy, but when I let go, it turns it into a diamond for me. If I try and do a circle, it turns it into a circle, square, etc. So you can see that will really neaten up your whiteboard if you're doing something with shapes. As somebody that does flowcharts, this is a really nice thing for me because it makes my whiteboard just look a lot better, even though I have drawn it. So that's quite a nice feature. So adding shapes just by clicking on them, or by using the enhanced ink shapes and use that for drawing shapes, they're both really useful tools.